Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Indian Spotlight. Earlier in my video, I have discussed about the prepositions of place, where you came to understand what is the definition of a preposition, what are the kinds of prepositions, what are the types of prepositions with some rules and examples also. But we should not be stick or limited to the same point of place. Now, with the aim of moving forward, we are covering in this video the next level of learning, the preposition of time. इस वीडियो में हम आपका कंसेप्ट क्लियर कर देते हैं prepositions of time के ऊपर कुछ एग्जाम्पल के साथ. In this video, I will be doing full-fledged discussion on the aforementioned topic. So let's move to the main content. Watch the video till end. इस वीडियो को आप अच्छे तरह से लास्ट तक देखें. Stay tuned with the channel. Firstly, we have to understand what is a preposition of time. If we talk about the definition, then it would be like it is used to show when things would happen. Preposition of time suggests when an action takes place. So, from the definition, you can understand that a preposition of time talks about when an action takes place. कब कोई एक्शन होता है, टाइम के बारे में बता रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स, ऑन, एट, इन, बिफोर, आफ्टर, सिंस, फॉर, etc. Now, let's understand the concept of preposition of time with some examples. I met my brother on Friday. On Friday, शुक्रवार के दिन. It talks about a particular day. He will come here at 6 p.m. शाम को 6 बजे. It talks about a particular time. The patient had died before the doctor came. डॉक्टर आने से पहले ही मरीज मर गया था. So here before. I have been studying in the school since 2005. मैं 2005 से इसी स्कूल में पढ़ता रहा हूँ. The workers have been working for 10 hours a day. So in last two sentences, since and for are the prepositions of time. In this diagram, you will come to know altogether that what are the prepositions of time that are used broadly in English grammar. Let me read one by one. By, till or until, to, past, before, for, on, in, at, since, ago. These many prepositions are there that can be used different types. So let's move forward to their usage, how to use them properly in the sentence. We will show you with some help of examples and telling you the rules to use them. In, before months, in July, in December, in November, in October. It can be many. Out of 12 months, you can before any month you can use in. Before seasons, as we know that there are 6 seasons, so before 6 seasons you can use in summer, in winter, in autumn, many more things. Before year, in 2020, India got independence in 1947. Before the part of the day, in the evening, in the morning, in the afternoon, after a particular time period. For an example, in an hour, in the future. Now, in is also used before a city that is having more than 5 lakhs of population. For example, in Mumbai, in New Delhi, in Kolkata, in Hyderabad, in Chennai. It can be wide range of cities are there in India. Before that we can use in. Now if we talk about the use of at, we can say that before a specific time at is used. For example, at 9 p.m., at 11:30 a.m., at noon, at night. If we talk about the examples, then it would be like he started his journey at 10 p.m. कब शुरू किया था जर्नी? शाम को 10 बजे. He will arrive here at night. कब पहुंचेगा? रात को, at night. He will join the course at the weekend. At the weekend, according to the British English, we can use at the weekend. Number 2, before age. उम्र के पहले. A fool at 40 is a fool forever. Use of on. On is used before the days of the week or dates. For example, the professor came to attend the seminar on Friday. On Friday की बात हो रहा है, तो बाकी जो 6 डे है हफ्ते के, उसके पहले भी हमको ऑन यूज़ करना होता है. ऑन फ्राइडे, ऑन सैटरडे, ऑन मंडे, ऑन ट्यूसडे, लाइक दैट. माई बर्थडे फॉल्स ऑन May 26th every year. May 26th is a date. Before that we have gone for on. If it was only May, then in. I have an intention to go there on the weekend. On the weekend, in the previous example, you have understood that at the weekend, that is British English, while on the weekend, that is according to the American English. As we have already started learning the main prepositions of time, at, in, and on, let's do a kind of recapitulation of the thing that we have already discussed. At night, at 10:30, at noon, at midday, at midnight, at bedtime, at sunrise, at sunset, at the weekend. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in February, in the spring or in spring, in the summer, in the fall or autumn, in winter, in 2013, in the 90s, 90, in a few minutes or minutes, on Sunday, on Monday morning, on Tuesday afternoon, on Wednesday evening, on my birthday, on a holiday, on Christmas Day, on 5th of May, on a weekend, on time. Since is used from a specific point of time until now. Since का यूज तब किया जाता है जबकि कोई स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम से अभी तक समय को समझाने के लिए. The dispute between India and Pakistan continued since 1947. देखिए 1947 that is a specific point of time. अगर क्वेश्चन आए कि कब से कब तक, तब हम बता सकते हैं कि 1947 से लेकर अभी तक. The company started manufacturing since 1984. So 1984 is a specific point of time. So before that we have used since. He has been suffering from viral fever since yesterday. अगर हम पूछे कब से वायरल फीवर से सफ़र कर रहे हैं, तो हम बता सकते हैं कि yesterday से, since yesterday. Now the use of for. Over a certain period of time. Just the opposite of since. For example, he has been working in the institution for 3 years. For 3 years. कौन सा 3 years? That is not mentioned properly. I went to study abroad for the first time in forever. In the place of किसी के बदले में. Substitute a noun for a verb. In favor of someone, किसी के फेवर में. She always speaks for helpless people. Moving forward with the use of ago. Ago is used from now to a specific point in the past. पास्ट में कोई घटना हुआ होगा तो उसी को लेकर हम एगो का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. He left the place 3 years ago. I met a man on the street a while ago. एगो और बिफोर का इस्तेमाल इंग्लिश में किया जाता है समझाने के लिए पहले. But the modern grammarians used to tell that it is better to use ago instead of before. Use of during. Throughout the course or a duration of something is meant by the use of during. For example, I did not attend the regular classes during summer. I had a good time during the trip. So during is used for a specific time span. Use of before. We commonly use before with the past simple tense. It suggests that the second event happened soon after the first one. As earlier I gave the example, the patient had died before the doctor came. Here two incidents are happening. What are those? Firstly, the patient had died and secondly the doctor came. So as the dying of the patient had happened earlier, so we have used the past perfect tense in the first incident and the last incident used simple past tense. One more example we can give. The train had left the station before we reached. हम लोग जाने से पहले ही ट्रेन छूट गया. Your own decision is important before everything. Before means सामने. Use of after. After is used as to mean later than and next in time or place. For example, shall we have a swim after lunch? The bank is just after the park on the left. He would join the class after the break. The dog ran after the cat. So in Hindi, after is used to mean बाद में. चलते हैं आगे. नेक्स्ट, फ्रॉम इसका मतलब है से. टू रेफर अ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट टू एन एंड. एग्जाम्पल, द एडमिशन विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम March 30 to 10th of April in 2020. एडमिशन कब तक चलेगा? March 30 से लेकर अप्रैल को 10 तारीख तक चलेगा. The journey from Chennai to London was very comfortable. Next, by उसी की अंदर, not later than the scheduled time. For example, the party president will attend the function by 11 o'clock. मतलब पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट अटेंड करेंगे फंक्शन को 11 बजे के अंदर. नॉट exceeding 11 o'clock. CBSE is going to announce the tentative exam dates by next week. नेक्स्ट वीक के अंदर CBSE ने अनाउंस कर देंगे एग्जाम के डेट्स. Now we have studied many of the rules in the previous discussion. Now it's the time to invest the time in the exercise on preposition of time to judge yourself that how much you are capable of understanding and doing the justification with your learning. So one by one we will solve these 15 questions. Number 1, my brother has a new job. He works in the evening. शाम के time. We are going to have a picnic on Saturday afternoon. On Saturday, day के पहले on. Third, I will be finished my work by an hour. एक घंटे के अंदर or in an hour. Number 4, when is the meeting? Is it at 2? At 2 before time. Number 5, I like to get up early at sunrise when the birds start to sing. Number 6, Tom's birthday is next week on January 14. January 14, that is a particular date. My grandfather was born in the 90s, 50s. Will we be on time or will we miss our flight? My family and I like to ski in winter. Number 10, are there any holidays in October? Number 11, our school cafeteria opens for lunch at noon. Number 12, what time does your son go to bed at night? We moved to this city in 2012. Are you going to do anything special on your birthday? And number 15, last one, I am not going to watch that TV show. It starts at midnight. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly share and subscribe the channel Indian Spotlight. In our upcoming videos, I'll be discussing about the next types of preposition